You're getting a little weak there, Superman.
Which is actually really helpful because it's been really humid lately because of all this rain.
That one? Not that. Whoa.
But I get the feeling Superman Daddy's gonna have to lift it out of the box.
Whoa! That thing is...
Yeah, Daddy's gonna take care of this one, guys.
Okay.
I know it's really hard to see, but right here on the side,
Oh, whoa.
handle, so I can just place it there.
Oh, that's cool.
I think I should throw it in there.
Let me try it.
So there's the reservoir in the back.
Cool. Oh,
There we go. And if you look at that, this can hold up to 30 pints of water. That's a lot of water in here. So let's go ahead and see exactly how humid our house really is. All right, little helper. Now what I noticed when we moved it, once we got out of the box, is it has wheels, so it's very easy to move it. So prior to turning it on, we're gonna go ahead and download the app, register and log in, so we're gonna get all that done. Dehumidifier added. And all we need to do is actually go turn it on to there it goes. Awesome. So we're at 45% humidity. The indoor humidity is at 44%. We're just going to come and turn it on, and we're going to set our humidity level to 30%, which is the lowest you can go because the humidity in our room is 43%. So if it's too close to that, it's not going to pull any water out. So we want to make sure it's low so we can see exactly how much water we do pull out of the room. So we're going to come back in an hour. So it's been running for about an hour. When it started, it was 44% humidity. Now it's down to 35. So let's turn it off. Rotate it around. And pull out the tank. And there we go. There's quite a bit of water down here. One thing I wanted to point out is, not only do you have a very large reservoir here, but the drainage hose right there, you can have a hose and you can run the hose outdoors. So you can have continuous drainage or you can fill up the tank. So depending on how much humidity you have in your house, you might need the other option to do a continuous drain so you don't have to constantly stop the dehumidifier, empty the tank, and continue going. This dehumidifier works great. It didn't have to run for very long and it sucked out almost 10% humidity in our big room right here already. It's great for if you do have a lot of moisture in your house. It will reduce the mold growth. It will reduce the condensation on your windows. If you just feel that dampness in the house, this will remove it very efficiently, very quickly. You can hardly notice it. It's just background noise. So very impressed with it. It's got wheels on the bottom, which makes it very easy to move. It's got some good weight to it, so you know you got a good product there, good quality materials. If you could use this dehumidifier, click on the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. What will happen last time? What will happen next time? Don't forget our cool extras. Yay!